Because I can already feel what you're freaking out about.
Is it illegal to have a gun?
So the woman that put you in this world, right, that birthed you and cared for you, you put your hands on her? So right now we're on our way to a disturbance. Another officer just called and asked for units to be 1084 because there was a fight. We have no information on it right now.
It's not finding the proper way to prevent your frustration.
741.
741.
Well,
So we just left here and negative contact.
16-year-old son.
and she wants me to talk to you.
She grabbed him. He grabbed the baby.
Honestly, you're what, 16? Honestly, in 2 years from now, it's no more just coming over and talking to you. It's, she has marks on her. It's cut and dry. You go with us. Whatever has been going on is resolved so that you can get, if it's talking to a therapist, that's perfect. That's what we want, is the best outcome for you. So talk to me a little bit about, is there anything that she can do to help you, that we can do to help you? Because we have more resources than just taking you to jail.
He has complex PTSD, depression. He has become increasingly very verbally abusive to me, calls me names, threatens me, has thrown things at me. But today in the car, grabbed me right here and then grabbed my hand and turned it all the way back and grabbed my Yeti and threatened to bash my brains in with it. I've been working for 3 weeks non-stop trying to get him into a mental health treatment center. He's repeating his dad's behavior.
Is he on any kind of medication or anything?
He's on Cymbalta and Abilify. He's under a psychiatrist's care. He's been in therapy. I've done everything with this kid. Everything.
And he's taking his medication the right way?
Yeah, I give it out.
What made him go off like that?
Anything can make him go off. He wanted me to buy him a soda, and I said I'm not buying him anything. And treated me like that over a soda. But anything can make him go off.
Okay. So you put your hands on your mama? Why? So the woman that put you in this world, right, that birthed you and cared for you, you put your hands on her? Why? Just for no reason? How old are you? 16. Huh. I got a pretty nice house.
It's too big.
Yeah. Roof over your head. You got food. Do you work anywhere? No? You don't work? You go to school? You pay any bills or anything? No. So you don't do jack crap, but just stay at home. I'm guessing you play video games, right? You're 16, all 16-year-olds play video games. So you play video games, got free food, got a roof over your head, all given to you by her, but you put your hands on her. Nothing to say. But I'm right.
I guess.
Well, there's no I guess. I'm telling you I'm right. Roof over your head, food, games, TVs, probably whatever you want. You got 2 necklaces on, an Under Armour shirt. Like, you got it pretty nice, it seems, and you still put your hands on her. Look at me. It's pathetic. You need to do better. Do you got me?
Yes.
Understood? Okay.
All right, so we were called out here to the Old Town Plaza here in Oxford for a disturbance that happened. It was between a mother and a son. He had an emotional outburst and she wanted us to talk to him, just let him know that in just a few short years, this goes from us talking to him to us actually putting hands on him and taking him to jail. And we just had to explain to him the seriousness of what actions have consequences, and sometimes those consequences involve us.
What he said, pretty much.
762.
It's 31.
71. Cut off. 3 Toyota 11 Alpha Echo Romeo 56. Crossed over the fog line several times. You got a white line.
I'm not a good morning person.
Yeah, me neither.
My gun's right there. I'm not.
Okay, let's just. Oh, it's under the console.
Hey, yeah, that's
Okay.
right. See it.
All right.
Is that one
Let's see
up
here.
to date?
No, that expired in April. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Let's just step out here with me since you got that gun right there. If you don't mind, let's just step out
I
here.
know.
Do what?
I'm gonna step
Okay. Yes, sir, you are. And here's why. Hey,
Is it illegal to have a gun?
no, but it is
There you
also
go.
not safe for me to leave you in the car with it. However, on a traffic stop,
That's
stop,
funny.
sir. Stop. On a traffic stop, an officer can order the occupant out of the vehicle if he feels it is more safely conducted outside of the vehicle. There is case law stating that. So we're going to step out of the vehicle.
So me telling you,
I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle, sir. What I'm asking you to do is just step out here. All we're going to do is step out here and talk.
You want this?
Come on, step on back here. Step on back here to the tailgate. 760, 1048. All right, hey, I'm gonna take this knife out your pocket. You have anything on you that's gonna probably stick me or hurt me besides
No.
this? Okay, you mind if I bat you down and make sure?
Go ahead, I guess.
All right, turn around, put your hands on the tailgate for me. I'm gonna set this right here, just so it don't blow away, okay? What kind of snuff you dip? All right. I'm gonna throw this in your driver's seat, okay? Just through the window, all right? Here's your proof of insurance back. There's your license back. And that's a written warning telling you just to maintain your lane. No tickets, no fines, no court costs. Piece of advice. When somebody walks up to you and you're being cool and all of a sudden your attitude changes because you don't like something, don't take it out on them.
Piece of advice: if you're too scared to do your job, you should probably find a different one.
We were hiring if you want to come do it.
I'm good. We've
Okay.
got better things to do.
All right, well, somebody's got to do it. You know how many guns kill cops every year?
How many in Oxford?
Doesn't matter. It's nationwide.
You're in Oxford.
Just because it ain't happened here don't mean it can't. You have a nice day, sir, and drive safe.
Anything can happen.
Okay, have a nice day. Drive safe.
763, 1039.
1039.
Taylor's Chapel, Grogan on a silver Chevy Silverado 2811 Alpha Delta Delta 1012 for us. 763-2811 Alpha Delta 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 Papa.
10-4.
Hey, bud. Yeah, you ain't got no tail lights. You don't have a tag light, tail light. Your tag's expired. Your back right tire is pretty bald. You got your license and insurance on you, bud?
I don't have any license.
Is it revoked, suspended, anything like that?
I think it's revoked.
Revoked. Okay. Does anybody in the car have a good license?
I do.
She was just
You do?
walking.
She got in a fight with her boyfriend, and he did not even want to go. We picked her up from Chevron.
From the Chevron? Okay. Where y'all headed to?
We live
Right down
here.
the road. Literally like a mile down the road.
Y'all live down there? I got you, man. What's your
I'm
name?
trying to, like, rush.
Joseph.
You know, I feel so bad.
I was just in Oxford.
Were you? Your name sounds familiar.
Yeah, I just
What was it for?
Warrant for traffic tickets.
Oh, okay. Just a little FTA for it.
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all got IDs on y'all?
Yes, ma'am. She's the one who arrested me, too.
She's the one that arrested.
I arrested you?
Lord.
For what?
Warrants too. You don't remember? We went to
No.
school together actually.
What's your name?
Carissa. I was hiding from you.
ma'am.
Oh, yeah, I do remember you.
I'm her mama.
Are you?
I got all my warrants taken care of now.
Well, yeah, I arrested you on them.
I actually had another one, but
She got him taken care of for you. Yeah.
Yeah, you're hiding behind the washing machine.
Hey, I almost got
Are
away.
y'all recording for a show or something?
Yeah.
No, please.
Do you mind grab hers for
Are you
me?
being serious about
As
it?
an artist.
Yeah, I'm being serious.
Oh, my goodness.
Thank you, buddy. You said your license is revoked?
Yes.
Okay. All right, man, I can work with you on that, okay? If that's all you got going on.
Thank you.
All right. Y'all give me 1 second, okay? So I arrested that front seat passenger. She, like, ran from us on a domestic and hid in a washing machine. She's got another warrant, too, so... Yeah, they live at
Go ahead a second.
a known dope house. Yeah, the two, mother and daughter both have warrants. I don't think they're gonna take them on them, but... You ain't in trouble, big dog. You ain't in trouble, man. You just put your hands right here, man. You know your license is still revoked, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm working on
What are you on probation for?
it. I'm on parole.
What are you on it for?
I just got out of Calhoun County for receiving stolen property and theft.
10-4. For theft?
Theft for a second.
So you got put on that for the charge that we gave you?
No, the charges I have with y'all was they said I broke a protection. I was with my baby mama.
Okay.
I don't have any warrants.
You don't have no warrants, no, man. No. Yeah.
It isn't. It's not ours. The guy's whose truck it is, it's his. So we just I can like put it in here.
Would you mind just kind of tossing in this seat for me?
Toss it in the seat.
Yeah, just toss it in the seat. I'm going to move it elsewhere.
Okay.
Thank you.
Beautiful kitchen. I don't know. We were looking at it.
He's not in trouble, no. He's not in trouble. I wouldn't lie to you about that. You mind stepping up for me real quick, Miss Champion? Are you able to crawl through here?
It lifts up actually. I can try to scoot.
There we go. Okay.
I want to throw it out in front of you.
So he's not going to jail.
No. You mind just put your hands on the bumper for me? Don't reach in your pockets. You mind if I search you real quick? No. Okay. Nothing on you, right? Stab, stick, poke me, nothing sharp.
This is my wallet.
Look, I'm gonna be honest with you, okay? You're showing a possible warrant through us. I believe it's just a misdemeanor. They haven't confirmed it yet or not.
It's actually
Did you get a traffic ticket or something?
Non-payment, and I spoke with them a while back ago, and they said that it would remain an active warrant until I get it paid off. But he said that I shouldn't go to jail for it.
Who said that?
I'm not
Look,
sure.
is there a needle on you right now?
No.
Don't reach in your pockets.
No.
Because if
No.
I get stabbed with the needle,
No, I
I'm
swear
going to
to
be
God.
very upset.
No, I swear to God.
You got a needle cap in your back pocket, that's why I'm asking.
No, I swear to God, I don't.
I'm not going to be happy if I get stabbed.
I promise you won't.
Put your hands behind your back for me. Here, bring your hands off your body.
So I'm going
Turn
to
that.
jail.
Yes, ma'am.
And what's it for?
The warrant, as of right now. Look, to the best of your knowledge, is there anything in the car that shouldn't be in there?
No. Literally told me.
Like I said, it's an FTA, it's face the vehicle. It's just an FTA, okay? Spread your feet for me. Look, now's your chance to be honest. If you have anything on you I didn't find, it's an automatic felony with a $20,000 bond when we get to the
I
jail.
don't. And honestly, the cap was, that's what me and my boyfriend got in a fight over, and I picked it up.
What do you use?
Yeah, but I don't shoot or anything. I don't use right now. I'm going to the methadone clinic. That's what me and him got in a fight for. I found that cap in his floorboard, and he kept lying to me, trying to tell me that he wasn't using it. And like a dumbass, I stuck it in my pocket instead of throwing it away.
Yeah, that wasn't the smartest. Is this your phone? Do you want it to go with you? Okay. You can have a seat for me. Yeah, so right now the back passenger behind the driver showing a valid FTA warrant through our agency, so she's going to go into custody tonight on that. Found a needle cap in her back pocket, so we're going to investigate a little bit on that, see what we can't find. Vehicle's probably going to get towed, driver's revoked. And that's where we're at right now. You remember her?
Yeah, we were just talking about it.
Hey, look, y'all mind stepping out for me real quick? You know, just don't reach in your pocket, just put your hands right there for me. You're good, step right here.
I'll get you out on the other side.
You're not, no. You do show a warrant, but they're not taking you on it, okay? You mind if I search you real quick?
Yeah. I think I might have.
Don't reach in anything. You mind if I search you real quick?
Yeah. I think it's my vape, but it's up more. It's that same weird bra that you kept was like.
You got the weird everything in it.
Is that really?
If you don't mind waiting out. You're okay.
Where's your vape?
Yeah,
That's your vape?
Yeah. I'm a total.
What's that supposed to mean? All right, you want to spread your
That's
feet
not
for me
the
real
one
quick?
I was asking if I could look for it. That's the one I was asking about at the house. I couldn't find it.
You have a problem if I search you real quick?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you can just put your hands up there for me. Nothing on the sharp stick, stab stick, poke me, nothing like that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Nothing on you shouldn't have?
No, ma'am.
What are you doing? Stop.
Oh,
Because I can already feel what you're freaking out about.
They're my pills.
That's fine. You know you have to have a prescription container, right?
It's in the car. I promise you. I get them at CVS. I get them from Dr. Buddy.
Just give her one moment.
Well, she does have a warrant, but they're not taking her on the warrant.
Me?
Yeah, you got one through Pill City. If you quit reaching your hands over there, that'd be great. That's your prescription pill too, right? Can you hold her arms?
I'm not
She's got
gonna
more in her
move them.
pocket.
Yeah, they really are my prescription pills. I'm not gonna pull them away from you.
Well, you keep reaching towards your pocket. small and there's a lot of them. So they're small and there's a lot of them. Hard to get to. Look, is there anything else on you?
No, there's
It's your
not.
time to be honest.
There's not.
Nothing whatsoever.
No, there's not.
Is there anything in the car?
No, there's not.
Nothing else on you whatsoever. Like I said, I can't help you when we get to the jail.
No,
Spread your feet for me. So she has a bag of meth in her front pocket. She's claiming these are clozapines, which are a controlled substance, which is the same class of felony as the meth. She's claiming she has a prescription for it, but regardless if you do, you have to have it in your prescription container at all times. The way she's carrying them right now is still a felony. So she's going to be going to jail tonight on 2 counts of possession of controlled substance. And we're about to do a vehicle search based on all this, see if there's anything else in the vehicle. So inside here, there's a blue pill in here. I haven't pulled it out to see what it is, but there's been a lot of fentanyl pills that people have been making pressed into blue forms like this. So we're going to probably Mirandize them and see what they say about it. If they don't tell us anything, we'll probably test it. Just because it's not in a powder form, so it's not that dangerous of being airborne like a powder would. This is a clozapine, which is what we found in Miss Gaither's pocket. She was claiming to have a prescription that was hers, but this name obviously is not matching her name whatsoever. So I don't know who Joyce is, but she's got your pills. Look, man, your car's getting towed. Okay, you're revoked, so we do got a tow truck coming to get it. Do you guys have anybody you guys can call to come pick you up?
We just live right down the road with Walton.
You're okay with walking?
I don't mind. I didn't get my jacket. What about you search my mom, their bags and everything?
Yeah, they're in there.
Okay.
Just hang tight 1 second. Y'all haven't used anything today, right? Nothing whatsoever, drank, nothing like that. Close your eyes real tight.
Close them?
Close your eyes real tight. Keep them closed, keep them closed, keep them closed. Open. Don't look into my light, just look at me. Do it one more time, close them. Keep them closed real tight. Open. Same thing with you, buddy. Open. One more time. Open. Alright. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you at government's expense. Knowing and understanding these rights, are you willing to answer any questions without an attorney present? Okay. What is up with this blue pill that was inside of a bag sitting right next to you? I can tell you what I would believe it to be.
That's a nerve pill.
A what?
A nerve pill.
A nerve gabapentin?
Something like that, yeah.
This is not fentanyl.
No.
Nothing whatsoever.
No, it's not even a narcotic.
Right now we're just trying to pill identifier. It's just a little link you can use. Anybody can get on it. You just basically read the imprint, put in the color, the shape, and it'll tell you exactly what it is, if it's a controlled substance or not, and what classification it is and all that. So basically we stopped the car, didn't have any operable tail lights. They also didn't have a tag light. Made contact with the driver, his license was revoked. Got everybody out of the vehicle. They all gave consent to search. The one girl, when I was searching her, she immediately tensed up when I reached her front right pocket, and I could feel pills in her pocket. I reached in there, pulled out numerous clozapine, as well as a bag of meth. So she's going to jail on 2 counts of controlled substance. We searched the car. Didn't really find anything else in the car. And the back passenger had a FTA warrant through us, so she's going on that as well. And we towed the vehicle since the driver was revoked.